Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I will be teaching block coding in Python programming language. Today we will work with Trinket. So first you have to sign up, and once you sign up you will log into your account. Then you will choose new Trinket. There you will see the block down drop down menu, and you will choose blocks. Once you click on it, it will open this window. It will be usually untitled, so I just added the name. You can use any other name that you like, and then we will click on save. So we are trying to create a project using blocks in Python programming language, and we want to show the text, which is hello world, multiple times. So first thing, we will go to the first block, which is turtle, because when we are dealing with the turtle module in Python, we can choose the cursor. We need to choose the cursor, and in this case we are choosing turtle shape. Then we will choose the pen up because we are trying to draw something here which would be text. Then we need to go to loops because we want to add that we want to run something for multiple times. So we will choose this one. If we want to run it 10 times, we'll choose this block, but we want to choose it multiple times, so we can choose that one. However, to start, let's start with this one. There you will also take a look at other concepts. I am just going to reduce the outputs window. So we have the repeat loop, and it will run multiple times, and then we'll perform some action. So now we need numbers, so we can choose any number 0 or any range of numbers from here to here, but we want to choose the random numbers so that we don't have to insert a specific number. So we will just give the range from 20 to 20, and to add the number we need to use this one, so we will use this block, and then we can just duplicate this block and move it here. There we want to add, suppose 10 and then 20. So we want to run it between 10 to 20 times, and any random integer would be selected by the loop. Then we need the goto block, which is present in the turtle module. So you can also click on it. It will automatically add it to your programming area. There we also want to add random numbers, because what does goto um, action is, goto will move your cursor from one place to another. So this is the x position and this is the y position. So usually we have coordinate between x and y, so we will assign any value that we need. In our case we want the random variable, so we will delete this one from here to here, and we will just right click on our mouse and it will open this window, and we will choose duplicate, and then on the x position we will add the random one, and we will change the value from negative 2020 to 180. This is the x position, and then we will duplicate the same block, and we will add it in our y position, and we will choose the value to negative 200 to positive 200. Then we want to set the color, so we'll go to the turtle and then choose this block, set color, If you run right now, you will just see the cursor which is in the shape of turtle. It's moving from here to here because the random numbers we have chosen, so it's moving from one place to another randomly. Then you want to add the color. Let's choose red color, but let's change it to random color. For that, we'll go to the colors and we'll choose this block. We will delete this one and add this block in the colors one. Then we want to write the hello word, right? So we will go to the text module and we will choose this block, and then we will also check to add this one. So we do not need this block right now. We will just get this right block from the turtle module and we will add it inside the loop. We will add the text hello world, right? And then you can increase the font size to 16. I would just add, right? Then we will save it and let's run the code and see the output.